Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is another edition of Kite Army Labs. So I've had this project in my mind for such a long time, and I put it off, but today's the day I get to it. Let me show you what it is. I don't know if this is just me, but when some people look at this, they see string trimmer. When I look at it, I see trolling motor. So what is it they say in videos just like this? Something about not doing this at home? That's right, don't do this at home. Now this is something that I've wanted to do. Obviously, if you did something like this, you could hurt yourself, you'll void your warranty on your string trimmer, or possibly hurt someone else. So just don't do it. Anyway, with that in mind, let me show you how I turn this string trimmer into a trolling motor. So it's time to do some testing of my string trimmer and see how it works as a boat trolling motor. Let's get wet. Alright guys, that is a project off my bucket list. I've wanted to do that for so long now, and I'm so stoked to have finally gotten to it. And furthermore, it actually worked well. Who would have thought with $6 of putty knives, a string trimmer I had in my garage, in a little time, I could have had such a great result, an awesome working boat trolling motor. So I'm really thrilled, and I think this shows that Kite Army is doing it. So if you want to see more Kite Army stuff, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, check out all my other content, and I will see you guys around real soon.